Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this smooth shake zoom transition in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep getting content for you. But now, let's get started. I'm just closing this. So I inserted already the 3 videos in a new video page. So the first thing what we need, click on the video one by one. So the first video, animate and shake zoom. But this is the first video, we need it only in the exit, increasing the speed and intensity a bit. Go into the second one, click on the video, was animate both speed and intensity with increased. And here the last one, click on the video, and this is only on enter, also with increased speed and intensity. And now just moving between the 2 videos or 2 pages, add transition, dissolve, increase to 1 second, apply between all pages. And now just check it. It looks amazing, I think. So we got what we are looking for. This is a really smooth shaking transition, and it's pretty nice. I really love it. So this is how we can create it. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find links for my Instagram and TikTok pages also in the description, where you can find a bunch of short tutorials about Canva. So please feel free to visit them also. As I already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.